Hi everyone. Let us learn about the word of the day for today. Spell them together with us. And remember that words are important. Zenith, Z-E-N-I-T-H. Zenith, Z-E-N-I-T-H. Zenith, Z-E-N-I-T-H. It is a noun. What does it mean? Zenith is the highest point reached in the heavens by a celestial body. Example of the word zenith, used in a sentence. The sun was well past its zenith and headed toward the trees on the west side of the cabin. Zenith, Z-E-N-I-T-H. Zenith.